Hi, this is our basic prototype for the given problem statement. We have imported here some LangChain modules as well as the OS. Next, we have imported added the OpenAI API key. This is the basic functionality of the code. Now we will move towards the uh, end of the code. So I have already done all the cells and now only this part is left. So after running this, you will get an interface where you will have to import a file and you have to place the OpenAI API key. So I've already got the API key, so I will just simply copy paste it and I will choose a file. So initially we have to train that model according to the rules. So I have this file called rules, which contains all the rules which are necessary for checking the system logs. I will just place it there and I will just run a command run and I will just simply run the application. So it will take some time based upon how the length of the document is. So it has finished up because the document was of only 2 pages. So I've got the analyzing file, creating vector, and it's done. So now let's upload the logs file. So this is the logs file, which contains all the logs and the information about that various log. So I will simply upload that. And again run the same code. So after running it, I have got the same result, analyzing file, creating vector, and it's done. Now it's time to upload the weekly logs and check whether there's a fault in the system logs or not. So I will just simply upload the weekly logs file and I will just do the same command run and after that when I run the application it will take some time and it will generate the output. So it can take some time based upon the comparison. So this is the result which we have got, and here is the detailed security compromise and slightly incorrect entries. Like there is 25% slightly incorrect entry, and so these are the events which the our application has mentioned where the system has been compromised. So event 10, event time should be have access instead of configuration. User ID should be admin instead of user 123. So it was checking the file and it was based upon that it was giving the result. So event 18, event details should be changed password instead of reset password, admin instead of user, access level should be admin instead of user. So these are all those security and the system logs where actually there is a failure or there is a rule break. So it has listed all these details. Now let's have a look towards the actual file, how the rule and how the log file was actually. So we have defined some set of rules, given it to the system. So it should define its parameter according to these rules. Then we provided a log file. The log files contain the basic parameter and structure so that the program understands the basic structure of how they have to how it has to read the logs and based on that he has to process the weekly logs which we have provided it. So it has checked all these details and the weekly log which we provided and it has generated a report. So now let's have a look to how the application is actually working. So let's have a look towards the basic model flow of the application. So first it loads a document in the form of PDF or from the database. Then it splits the document into small chunks of size, variable size. Then the chunks are given to the storage vector store. This vector store used to fast retrieval of the information from the splitted PDF files. Then it's given to retrieval where it is then combined with the questions that the user has asked and then it is given out as an output on the screen, which we were seeing. So that's all. Thank you.